Welcome to Inert Chemistry. In today's video we are discussing about the sulfur. The sources of sulfur or sulfate are mainly amino acids like cysteine and methionine. Proteins contain about 1% sulfur by weight. Inorganic sulfates of sodium, potassium and magnesium, though available in food, they are not utilized. Functions of sulfur. Sulfur containing amino acids are important constituents of body proteins. The disulfide bridges keep the polypeptide units together, e.g. insulin and immunoglobulins, and sulfur help in the formation of disulfide bridges. Similarly, sulfur is important in cartilage and bone development. Keratin. Keratin is rich in sulfur and it is present in hairs and nails. Many enzymes and peptides contain sulfahydryl group at the active site, e.g. glutathione. Coenzyme derived from thymine, biotin, pantothenic acid and lipoic acid, they also contain sulfur. If sulfate is to be introduced in the glucose aminoglycans or in phenols for detoxification, it can be done only by phosphoadenosine phosphosulfates, also called PAPs. Sulfates are also important in detoxification mechanisms like production of indoxyl sulfate. Dietary requirements. The recommended daily intakes of sulfur are about 850 mg per day. Deficiency symptoms include decreased protein synthesis, impaired collagen formation, skin and hair issue, joint pain, slow wound healing and fatigue. If we talk about the metabolism, then first of all it is dietary absorbed. Sulfur is primarily obtained from diet in the form of sulfur containing amino acids like cysteine and methionine. Food rich in proteins like meat, fish, egg and dairy products are the major dietary sources of sulfur. During the digestion of dietary proteins, sulfur containing amino acids are broken down in the stomach and small intestine into their individual amino acid components like methionine and cysteine. Once absorbed into the bloodstream, these amino acids are involved in various metabolic processes. Like cysteine, for example, it is involved in variety of sulfur-containing compounds. Sulfur is used to synthesize various sulfur-containing compounds within the body. For instance, cysteine, it is a key component of glutathione, that is an important antioxidant and detoxification molecule. Sulfur-containing compounds play a vital role in detoxification of harmful substances in the body and helps to neutralize and eliminate toxins and protect cells from oxidative damage. Collagen formation. Sulfur is required for the formation of collagen, that is structural protein, and provides structure and strength and flexibility to our connective tissues like skin, tendons and cartilage. Sulfur-containing compounds participate in energy metabolism processes including citric acid cycle, which is the central to production of ATP, the body's primary energy source. pH regulation. Sulfur-containing amino acids can be influence pH regulations in the body fluids and helping to maintain the acid-base balance. Excretion of sulfur. All the sulfur groups are ultimately oxidized in the liver to sulfate SO4 group and then excreted in urine. The total quantity of sulfur in urine is about 1 gram per day. This contains three categories. Inorganic sulfates means it is about 80% of total excretion. Organic sulfate or ethereal sulfates, it is also called conjugated sulfate and it constitutes 10% of urinary sulfates. And the third form that is of sulfur that is excreted in our urine is neutral sulfur or unoxidized sulfur. This fraction constitutes about 10% of total sulfur. This is all about the sulfur. In the next video, we will see another topic.